our raincoats in monsoon. We face problems while wearing raincoats. So our idea is about rainwear, which would be travel-friendly and eco-friendly.
The mechanism of the belt would be such that plastic will be rolled inside a box like a belt, just like an aluminium foil. As soon as the switch is turned on, the motor fixed in it will unroll all the plastic and safeguard money. It would be designed as a net belt with a switch on it and a cap attached at the back. Upon switching on, a long plastic will come and cover the whole body. The plastic would be made out of completely recycled glass
Under around 1,000 rupees. It will be helpful for the people living in rain-prone region. It will be help in various illness which is caused by rain. It will be more useful for the people living in eastern parts of India. For example, Manipur, Mizoram and Meghalaya.